A historic 19th-century Breton Frères, Paris telescope, used during the 1905 total solar eclipse in Palencia, has been carefully restored by Félix Grussier-Temmic at the Instituto de Astrofísica de Canarias, IAC, after spending more than a century forgotten. The restoration preserved its original optical and mechanical components while adding modern adaptations, allowing it to work with contemporary detectors and tracking technology without altering its historical value. The telescope will return to observing the Sun on August 12 as part of the NATE project, creating a unique link between early 20th century astronomy and modern astrophysical research. Led by the IAC, NATE brings together Spain, Morocco, and the United States, combining scientific research, education, and citizen science while preparing for the total solar eclipse of 2027 through public outreach and collaborative observations. An inspiring story that blends history, innovation, and science. The restoration of this historic telescope shows how heritage and modern technology can work together to advance astronomy and education.